So here we are at GrowthCLUB. Our 90-day planning workshop is absolutely my favourite day of the quarter, when we get all our clients together and they all spend the day working on their plans. We give them inspiration and learning in the morning, and in the afternoon they sit there and they do the hard work. And by the end of the day, it's fantastic seeing the transformation. They have created a plan that they find inspiring. They can understand how step by step by step they're going to achieve it, and they walk away with great confidence and clarity. So GrowthCLUB, the great thing is, having done all of that work, seeing people come back the next quarter and they've achieved all their goals. They've followed it step by step for the whole quarter and they got there, and the results, fantastic.